Hello and welcome to today's class. Today's lesson is called Pronouns. We are going to learn what is a pronoun and what are the most common pronouns and how to use them. The first thing that we need to know is what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. It helps us avoid the repetition of the same word that we use referring to somebody or something. For example, Jack woke up early because Jack is going on a trip. This one is wrong because we repeated the name Jack even we already mentioned it. So the right one will be Jack woke up early because he is going on a trip. We replaced the second time that we mentioned Jack in this sentence by he. Here are the most common pronouns that you need to know. I, me, he, she, it, we, us, they, them, him, her, and you. The singular ones are I, me, he, she, it, him, her, and you. It may be singular and it may be plural. So whenever the noun is singular, we use the singular pronouns. And whenever they are plural, we use the plural ones. And these are they, them, we, us. Let's read these examples together. 1. Sam is feeding the dog. Sam is the noun. We will replace Sam by he because Sam is a singular noun. And we must know that he is used for the boy and she is used for the girl. Number 2. The children are having fun. Here, that children is a plural noun. So we replace it by they are having fun. Number 3. My friends and I went on a summer camp. My friends and I is also a plural noun. That's why it is replaced by we. We went on a summer camp. Here we is used to refer to a group of people including the speaker, I. Now it's activity time. Let's circle together the pronouns. Number 1. She ran quickly. She is the pronoun. Right. Number 2. Matthew couldn't find his keys. His refers to Matthew. His is the pronoun. Number 3. You have a lot of books. You is the pronoun. Exactly. Number 4. They are my favorite band. They is the pronoun. Excellent, you're doing great. 5. I love these shoes. I wear them every day. What is the pronoun? I. And there is another pronoun. What is it? Them. Why? Because it refers to the shoes. And we use them because the shoes is a plural noun. Very good. Number 6. Thank you for the gift. He loved it. We have more than one pronoun here. What are they? You, he, it. It refers to a thing. So whenever we talk about a thing, or even an animal that we don't know the gender of it, we use it. And this is all you must know for today. Thank you, and I will see you soon.